Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto Edge 2024 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the Moto Edge 2024 is now here at Metro. It's available now in the midnight blue color, 256 gigabytes of storage there, and there is the phone right there. It kind of, in my opinion, kind of reminds me of the Moto G Stylus 2024 that Metro also offers as well. Kind of reminds me of that in terms of like design and stuff like that. So there is front and back of the Moto Edge, very nice looking phone. Dual camera setup, looks like dual LED flash, and your Motorola logo, it looks like it's dented in, so pretty cool. And you have a camera bump there on the back. Front of the phone is your hole punch for your front facing camera. Power bank piece on the right side of the phone and whatnot. Left side of the phone, micro SD and SIM card slot. Somewhere up here on the left side of the phone. And like I said, you do have a camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. Back of the Moto Edge 2024 is your dual camera setup. Looks like dual LED flash and your Motorola logo, which is indented in, so that's pretty cool for grip and whatnot and aesthetics and all that. So yeah, and then right side of the phone, power button, brand key somewhere in this area here. So very nice. So the Moto Edge is $99.99 when you guys get a new number with Metro. Full retail price is $299.99. However, you can get the Moto Edge 2024 for free if you guys put your number over the Metro and get a Metro Flex Plus plan. So not bad for a free phone. Definitely worth checking out. Definitely worth picking out for, even for $300. It's definitely worth checking out for $300 as well. So definitely a nice looking phone overall. So yeah. Features of the Moto Edge has a 50 megapixel low light camera, 32 megapixel front facing camera, 30 hours of talk time, 21.7 days of standby time, 6.6 inch OLED display, endless edge display 2400 by 1080 pixels. Other features include ultra fast 68 watt turbo power charging, which is freaky fast, beautiful design with curved display and vegan leather. Very nice looking phone and whatnot. IP68 water protection. One touch access to your favorite app with quick button. That's probably on the left side of the phone. So that's probably what that is a button. That's probably what it is a button. So yeah, 256 gigabytes of storage for all your photos, videos, and more. Powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor, cinematic 6.6 inch OLED display with 144 Hz, exclusive Moto experiences, hearing aid compatibilities, which is very nice. It says ready to see the night in a whole new light. Meet Motorola Edge 2024 with our most advanced low light features on the 50 megapixel camera. It's easy to capture sharp and bright photos at night. Get power for the day by charging 50% of your battery in just 15 minutes. Enjoy a beautifully curved design featuring vegan leather access. Anything with just one touch of the new quick button. All this along with 256 gigabytes of storage, Snapdragon performance, and a cinematic OLED display. And let's not forget the fun and useful Moto experiences that make it one of a kind. Day or night, Motorola Edge is just right. Alright, so very nice there. Specs: the Moto Edge has a 5000 mAh battery, Type-C charging, of course. Connectivity options for the Moto Edge includes Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN, ACAX, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6E as well. Wi-Fi hotspot with to 5.2 NFC, so you can pay on here. Snapdragon 7 Gen 2. It runs Android 14, I believe, so that's pretty cool. 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is no external storage, so 256 gigabytes is all that you guys get on the phone. You do get 4G LTE. You do get 4G LTE and 5G as well. Supported email platforms, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, of course, frequencies there. The Moto Edge weighs 6. The Moto Edge weighs 4.94 ounces, which is pretty interesting. So kind of light in terms of weight there, so that's pretty interesting there. Your dimensions on the Moto Edge is 6.33 inches height, 2.85 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. What comes with the Moto Edge is, of course, a Moto Edge 2024 smartphone Type-C to Type-C charging cable, guides, and some ejection tool. So pretty standard stuff in the box there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto Edge 2024 is now here at Metro. It's available now in the midnight blue color. It looks like a dark blue color. It's supposed to be like a dark blue color. The phone looks nice in my opinion. I'm not really a fan of the blue color, but that's just my personal opinion. It's $299.99 for retail price for the phone. But you can get this phone for free if you guys put your number of the Metro and get a Metro Flex Plus plan. So not a bad deal for a free phone. So definitely worth checking out. It has great specs and features, so you cannot go wrong with this phone here. Definitely a nice one to check out, and definitely worth every penny of it. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.